I think my camera is very close. Let me just move it back a little bit. Let me kindly check if everything's in place. Whatever that needs to be fixed during the course of the day. Oh guys, I'm so hyper. Like, I don't know. Just ate eggs and cabbage and wrap, you know. So I think. Okay, now we're gonna move to our next step. So I'm just gonna mix this concealer. Hey, Miguel. This is the foundation for me with the warm heart. Right now, you know this. If you knew, I like mixing the warm heart. I bought it from Fashion World and then the Huda Beauty. Okay, so now we're gonna mix them together. Okay, now guys, we're gonna use. Do you think I should use the same concealer? Yes, I think I'm gonna do that so that we don't confuse you over there. So now we're gonna use the Rimmel Lasting Matte again. Okay, right. And shade 30, just in case you forgot. I'm always here to remind you. Sad. Okay. So now we're just gonna apply it over here. Hey guys, I learned something. You see, like I take time to like hone my skill. Okay, hone my skill. So I see these YouTubers, they're like just here. Okay, the nose, just there. And your girl over here, and I would just drag it on. Don't come for me. Honestly, in the name of Jesus, don't do that. This is all they do. Now I go like music. My previous video, if you check it out, please don't come for me. You better not. So we're gonna let it sit just a little bit, and then we're gonna blend it in.
Espling on the track.
Okay, we cool. So I'm back. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do, I think today for what do you call this, eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go simple with it. I'm just gonna be, you know, I'm just gonna be cute. Let me just say that. What is it that I dropped? Guys, I just dropped my highlighter and it's like. But even though we move, okay, we move, guys. We just have to move. Okay, I don't even know. Like, I'm just so confused right now on what to do. Okay, like I said, I'm just gonna be in good mood. So now I think for my eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go simple today because of the weather and what just happened. Anyways, we move. Okay, so I think. Do you think I should go yellow? Oh, yellow, that's a little bit dramatic. Okay, I'm going to be using. It's really raining, guys. It's really raining. Oh my god, what am I doing? So the palette that I'm going to be using today is Brazilian Carnival Damo Beauty. I just love this shade. I can't wait to buy the Morphe palette also, and the L'Oreal Mercier and the Fenty Beauty products, so that I can show you guys something different. Okay, but for now we work with what we have, and this is what we have, and we're gonna, I don't know guys, I'm gonna wear a white dress. Let's just go blue. I think I should just go blue. Blue sometimes can, okay, let me just use this color to transition. I don't know, we're gonna use this to what color is this? We're gonna use it just to transition over here. What color is this? I don't even know what color is this. What is this color here? Let's use it to transition. We're gonna use it also over here. Let's just pray it turns out very, very good, because there's no going back now. Baby powder. I don't know where I am going to. Okay, I'm gonna put it there. Okay, so now we're gonna zip in. Not much of it, but just enough to do. Oh my god, this is what happened. Long story short. How do I heal from this? Okay, now we're gonna use this. We're gonna use that part, and I like to do this. So we're just gonna contour just a little bit over there. I don't love dragging my contour all the way down. Okay. In this case, we're not going to contour our forehead because, again, you know, we're wearing a wig. You know this. Put little over here that goes a long way like this. You see, because now it's like all over my face. My nose after. Let me just fix this a little. Yes. What we're gonna do next? What is it that we're going to do next? I'm expecting you guys to know this by now. What we're gonna do next, I don't know. What are we gonna do next? I'm gonna put on lashes. I think I'm going to quickly do that, and then so that my face can set. So I already have put on those lashes, so I'm just going to put on normal lashes because I don't know why I'm going normal, but let me just do this. And for the glue, I'm going to be using this glue. I'm going to quickly do that. I feel like my table is so chaotic right now. I really need to put my things together. I'm looking for something to dip in my so my glue, and I can't seem to remember. I think I'm gonna use this pin. Alrighty then, next step, final step, we're gonna use our highlighter. I'm gonna use a bronzer. I'm just gonna use a highlighter very quickly, and I'm gonna be using. Okay, I'm gonna use this highlighter since it broke my heart. So also, this is what happens. Okay, this is what happens. Obviously, I did not show you guys. I don't think I'm not transparent with you. Oh wow, that's what happened. Hi, what can I say? We're gonna use this brush again. I've never actually used this side. I don't want a dramatic highlighter. Why did I not use a pen brush? Oh my god, oh no. Way better. I'm gonna use this for my nose. Last but not least, why do I keep saying this? I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna remove my lip. My beautiful queens, this is how our makeup turned out to look, and I hope you guys really enjoy the look, and I hope you can see me clearly. I just had to move my camera a little bit. So this is how our makeup turned out to look, and I hope you guys really enjoy this look and the drama and everything else that went into this video. So I really appreciate you guys for watching to the very end. I have my dress on, so what I did was I had to add a little bit of white eyeliner, because you know your girl's not about to leave without no white eyeliner, okay? And then I had to do my lip. One of the reasons why I did this off camera, guys, because my phone, did I just say phone? My camera decided to, you know, kick me out because my storage was full. So I had to extract my videos to my laptop, and then I had to come back. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna waste your guys' time. So I did that. Used this beauty setting spray to finish off the look, and I had just a brown lip liner, and also I used this NYX matte lipstick. So yes guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I love you guys and I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to comment about anything, you want to learn about anything, or you want us to do something, do other stuff in this channel, just kindly comment down below. Okay, I got you, girl. I got you, for real. So without wasting any time, let's just end this video, and bye.